Hi, and thanks for tuning in. It is April 18th, 2018. It's Thursday, and it's a beautiful sunny day. This here is a kitchen straight out of the 1970s. Old cabinet doors, an old sink, countertop, and the under cabinet lighting is new. We just added that. We're going to be changing out the countertop, refacing the cabinets right after this. Going to replace all these cabinet doors. You label in each one of these with a number. This one's 1. You got the measurements on 20.5 by 17.5. And then we have corresponding numbers on the replacement doors, so we know exactly where everything goes. I'm placing these doors in front of where they need to go, so when you label each frame, put a corresponding label on the front of the door as well. So we're back at the house. We redid the kitchen in 4 months ago. We're putting facelift on the cabinets, refacing them with all new cabinet doors. There was a lot of trouble with these doors. I ordered them online from a supplier that really does good work, but when they sent the doors, every one of them was a different size, and none of them were right. So I called the supplier, explained it to him. He said that error could not happen. But it did happen. So I had to reorder the doors, pay for them again. They wouldn't give me the credit or anything. So I got the new doors in, then I needed to stain them with a couple coats of stain, and I needed to put 3 coats of poly on it, sanding in between. Every time I put a coat of stain on these doors, the next day or the day before, it was going to snow. It was cold, it was freezing, because this was a delayed project by 4 months. Not my fault, but I'm going to take responsibility for some of it because I am the contractor and I want my customer happy. So I'm going to give her a discount. But that's not the point. The point is, it's been 4 months. These doors are long overdue, but they're all done and they're going in today. Today is April 19th and it's a beautiful sunny day. Still a little chilly, but we're going to get it done for her. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. We're just removing the old cabinet doors from the cabinets. This is where we've learned that they've shimmed some of the hinges to make the cabinet doors work with hinges that were non-matching. So I realize at this point in time we might have some issues with the way the doors are going to fit. So as you can see right here, I'm going to use a small combination square to make sure that the hinge is sitting square to the edge of the cabinet door. The last thing you want to do is put this hinge in crooked. The door won't sit right and then you'll be in trouble. You see this blue tape in the drill bit? I'll explain that to you in just a second. Okay, so the blue tape is a marker, so I don't drill down too far and through the face of the cabinet door. I drill down just until the tape touches the surface of the cabinet door, and that's as far as I'm going to go. It's a depth gauge. You'll notice I backed the screw off a tiny bit before I put the second screw in. That's just to make sure that they both go straight down in the holes that I drilled and nothing is crooked. If you tighten one screw too tight and the hinge is crooked, the second screw might stretch the hole and it may not sit right. So not only were the original doors cut to the wrong size from that first order, but the hinges that were sent were not the correct ones. So we ended up using these hinges, and as you can see, everything works perfectly. We don't have pulls on yet, but we will when we're all done. That'll be the last step. We got to do the bottom now. Smile.
There we go.
And there's the completed job. All the cabinets are refaced and stained to match perfectly. New countertop, new sink, faucet, drain, and under cabinet lighting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.